behalf of the Navy, we're excited to be back in downtown Seattle for Seafair and Seattle Fleet Week. Seafair is important because it is one of those times where it allows the Navy to really meet and get to experience the community that they live near, and it allows the community, in this case Seattle, the opportunity to meet the United States sailor, to see a guided missile destroyer from the inside. That sailor-citizen interaction, that's why the Navy has Fleet Weeks.
Today we had visitors from the Canadian and U.S. Navy help out around the rescue. I think it's important for sailors to get off the ship and be involved in the community that they are originally from or visiting. It's important for our animals to be interacting with as many humans as possible, and I'm sure it's great for them to be able to get that, one-on-one interaction. I think that's important. Everyone can use a little bit of love from some puppies and kittens.
Community relations events are integral to a sailor's experience. It's a way for sailors not only to give back, but also to really understand what they're protecting. And at the same time, a chance for those folks, particularly the great city of Seattle, to get to meet them, get to see why they're excited at the idea of giving back.